I love Chicago. The nightlife, world-class cuisine, great blues. I started in the professional development program in Baltimore and transferred to the Rolling Meadows campus. I get to work for an amazing company with super smart people on leading-edge defense technology. What more could you want?
I've worked at Northrop Grumman for 20 years. I've constantly been challenged to solve problems in new and innovative ways. I moved to a great neighborhood, close to work, with good schools, wonderful neighbors, and a community I can invest in.
I began my career at Northrop Grumman as an intern. Throughout the last 4 years, I've had a variety of career growth opportunities while also completing my MBA. I love working for a company dedicated to family values, employee development, and continued education.
I live in the city of Chicago and commute to Rolling Meadows. The local trains are great, and the shuttle bus makes the commute so easy. I love the innovative culture here at Northrop Grumman, and I know that the work I do every day is making the world a safer place.
I'm proud to have served 4 years in the United States Air Force. Right after the military, I got my engineering degree and joined Northrop Grumman. This is a very special place. We bring leading-edge technology to our warfighters.